Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to apply jobs in Upwork. So you can open the application of Upwork and here is the interface of jobs. You can search for jobs and it will be automatically on the interface of this best matches to you. So I will search for job of like YouTube video editor. So here is the some client posted 5 minutes ago video editor for YouTube automation channel. So here you can see the payment verified and the client has from United Kingdom, and for this job you can send a proposal for 12 connects. Mine is available for 3, so you can read the description of job, and here is the price of job fixed $200, and it will be finding experience level freelancer. So here you can read it all the details and click to apply now. But right now I don't have connects, but you can apply from there. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.